This trial is a culmination of decisions made by one person, the defendant. Those decisions have forever altered the futures of 3 families, and of you also, Mackenzie. And your decisions forever robbed Dominic and Davion of the futures that they had before them. If there is one thing that can be taken away from this case, as painful as it is this. Every decision we make is important. Every action we make is important. Regardless of whether the decision is a good one or a bad one, or the actions are good or not, the result is the same. The consequences ripple through time and affect many more people than one might think at the time of the decision. In criminal cases, the state carries the greatest burden under our law, proof beyond a reasonable doubt. In a bench trial, the judge sits as the jury and the finder of fact, as well as the ruler of law, and it is a reminder of just how difficult a job it is to serve as a finder of fact. Whether it's a bench trial or a jury trial, the rules of law are the same. The instructions for weighing credibility and evidence, the admonition to set aside any bias, prejudice or sympathy, and the oath to follow the law as the law is written. These rules of law are incumbent on every trier of fact. I have done what I have sworn to do. I have carefully and deliberately considered all the evidence in this case, including the testimony of the witnesses, the science, the expert opinions offered, the medical evidence, the physical evidence, the photographs, and the video evidence. The totality of the evidence clearly demonstrates that Mackenzie Shirilla acted purposely and intentionally in the early morning hours of July 31st, 2022. Her purpose was to kill Dominic Russo and Flanagan. No reasonable fact finder could view the totality of this evidence in this case and come to any other conclusion. Her actions were controlled, methodical, deliberate, intentional, and purposeful. This was murder.